Yesus lakani Mores ralangale Sel molagera
I will continue to rejoice. Philippians 1:18.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Joy from Jesus was written by Leslie Coe and read by Stephen Tabor.
Philippians chapter 1, verses 18 through 21. But what does it matter? The important thing is that in every way, whether from false motives or true, Christ is preached. And because of this, I rejoice. Yes, I will continue to rejoice. For I know that through your prayers and God's provision of the Spirit of Jesus Christ, what has happened to me will turn out for my deliverance. I eagerly expect and hope that I will in no way be ashamed, but will have sufficient courage so that now, as always, Christ will be exalted in my body, whether by life or by death. For to me, to live is Christ, and to die is gain. Joy from Jesus, written by Leslie Coe. Nancy's cancer treatment caused so many ulcers in her mouth and throat that she couldn't even swallow a piece of bread. She had to rely on milk to fill her stomach for many painful days. The only thing that brought a smile to the 60-year-old's face was the joy of knowing Jesus and her grandsons. Being with them each week helped her to not dwell on her situation. If not for the boys, I would have given up, she said. The Apostle Paul also found joy in Jesus and others despite his difficulties. His joy came from Jesus and living for him. Despite being imprisoned, he found strength to encourage others. In Philippians 1, he spoke of the joy that came from partnering and sharing the good news about Jesus, and from knowing what awaited him upon death. That confidence enabled him to say, "For me, to live is Christ, and to die is gain." Paul could rejoice because Jesus was his life. His sense of contentment and security didn't come from any possession or situation, but from knowing he belonged to Christ. Thus, in a letter written in the worst of circumstances, he could say in Philippians 4:4, "Rejoice in the Lord always. I will say it again, rejoice." May we find joy in Jesus, who loves us, cares for us, and gives us strength to rejoice in any circumstance. Let's pray. Lord, you are the source of joy in every circumstance, and nothing can take away the hope we have in you. Help us to rejoice in your presence even when life feels heavy and uncertain. May our hearts find strength and gladness today, knowing we belong to you. Thank you, Lord. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. What challenging situation are you facing now? What difference does it make to know Jesus is always with you?
Abelaw belwala things, abelaw belwala mur, kardiso arara things, ramrangil abelaw. Omusubam la otilk mo, ar adal mum kamang taklangar til, aditil gibel kal, along aring irabe ka klabsay. Digi karel kal, along aring, digi karel kalir. Yak mangaru ndiral malolim bringi, kloral malolim bringi irabe ka klabsay, mum kamang taklangar til. At sugum ka smell sukal, ka high blood, bol kloral o molim bringi, rabe ka klabsay. Agirnir kau, o spera kloralm, el momi am kikyong ra al sela patangim. Moli maralm, en komotiak langar kau, esob aklagirnir kau.
There is a small craft advisory and a high surf advisory that is now in effect through early Friday morning. I Tagagida mutilet delilayang ata mayor Debelbot. El al Wednesday, May 27. Mapoto mesradol. Ako tagikalil dol el al sil sa morning 11:01 a.m. Mo 3.2 feet. Ako tagikalil dol ang morning 5:01 p.m. Mo 6.6 feet. Pangirul kakalil dol ang morning 10:49 p.m. Mo 4.3 feet. Yung ngirul dol ang morning 4:38 a.m. Mo 7.2 feet. Ang altala sil sa kapsingya 6:14 p.m. Yung sa elasis sa tutarakluhu 5:44 a.m. Abu ila lalakap sa singa 11, meltabu ila 3:05 a.m. Elalsis sa mga masin dalga po talayang ito, yung nga 90% chance ito ilalaul. Pero ilalayul tabu lang awar ito, emurmur tra 12, 223 miles per hour, ekastel up to 28 miles per hour. Adabar kilal mo lang nga 4 to 6 feet, yung nga northeast winds nga 3 to 4 feet. Other time mo masin dalga po talayang ito, yung nga 40% chance ito ilalaul. Other ilalayul tabu lang awar ito, emurmur tra 17 to 28 miles per hour, SML cast up to 28 miles per hour. Adabar kilal mo lang nga 5 to 7 feet, yung nga southeast winds nga 3 to 6 feet ang magkatityo. A Friday mo masin dalga po talayang ito, yung nga 70% chance ito ilalaul. Other ilalayul tabu ladim sa bar ito, emurmur tra 12 to 28 miles per hour. Adabar kilal mo lang nga 3 to 5 feet, yung nga south swells nga 3 to 4 feet ang magkatityo. Asaruday mo masin dalga po talayang ito, yung nga 50% chance ito ilalaul. Other ilalayul tabu ladim sa bar ito, emurmur tra 12 to 23 miles per hour. Adabar kilal mo lang nga 3 to 4 feet, yung nga southwest swells nga 3 to 4 feet ang magkatityo. Asanday mo masin dalga po talayang ito, yung nga 40% chance ito ilalaul, mga nga ito ilalarum ko. Other ilalayul tabu ladim sa bar ito, emurmur tra 6 to 17 miles per hour. Adabar kilal mo lang nga 1 to 3 feet, yung nga west swells nga 3 to 4 feet. Yan mo rin yung recorded forecast, yung nga robis sa kanso of Manlom Salom ko daw.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER 19@gmail.com. This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply body-worn camera and digital evidence management system for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after June 9, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone 680-767-2552, fax 680-767-1016, or email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by federal grant number P26 TRANSF1. Invitation for bid number IFB 20-26. Public notice is May 25th, 2026 to June 9th, 2026. Bidding period is June 10th, 2026 to July 10th, 2026. Opening date is July 13th, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to the Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on July 10th, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary. This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply 3 each van for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after June 3rd, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Chanel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the address noted. Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau, 96940. Phone number 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016, or email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by local fund. Invitation for bid number IFB 22-26. Public notice May 20th, 2026 through June 3rd, 2026. Bidding period is June 4th, 2026 to July 3rd, 2026. Opening date July 6th, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to the Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on July 3rd, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary. This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply laboratory diagnostic equipment for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after June 9th, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Chanel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address. Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau, 96940. Phone number 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016, or email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by Hospital Trust Fund and U.S. federal grants. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on June 25th, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to design and install an integrated IP CCTV surveillance alarm system, lightings for the new Division of Correction facility. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by the grant from the U.S. Department of State, P26 Trans F1. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 29th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-31. Public notice May 14, 2026 through May 28, 2026. Bidding period is May 29, 2026 through June 12, 2026. Proposals opening June 15, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngololmuth, Malacayo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415 or 680-767-1126 or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide the media training workshop. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by HRSA-H26 PMHCA01-AUTS federal funds. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on June 5th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-42. Public notice is May 21st, 2026 through June 4th, 2026. Bidding period is June 5th, 2026 through July 6th, 2026. Proposals opening date is July 7th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngololmuth, Malacayo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415 or 680-767-1126 or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide technical assistance on suicide prevention and strategic planning for intergenerational trauma. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by HRSA-H26 PMHCA01-AUTS federal funds. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on June 5th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-43. Public notice May 21st, 2026 through June 4th, 2026. Bidding period is June 5th, 2026 through July 6th, 2026. Proposals opening date is July 7th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmut, Melagyo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415 or 680-767-1126 or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide the Youth Therapies Workshop. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by HRSA-H26 PMH CA 01-AUTS federal funds. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on June 5th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. These specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-44. Public notice is May 21st, 2026 through June 4th, 2026. Bidding period is June 5th, 2026 through July 6th, 2026. Proposals opening date July 7th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmut, Melagyo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415 or 680-767-1126 or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to assist the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries, and Environment by providing a biodiversity beyond national jurisdiction legal gap analysis consultancy phase 1. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by the FAO Biodiversity Beyond National Jurisdiction federal grant. These specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on June 5th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days, as determined by the procurement officer. These specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-48. Public notice May 21st, 2026 through June 4th, 2026. Bidding period is June 5th, 2026 through June 19th, 2026. Proposals opening date June 22nd, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmut, Melagyo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415 or 680-767-1126 or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide consultancy services on zoning ordinance, zoning maps, and subdivision codes. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by the ROP Economic Development Assistant Bubble State Planning Grant. F-22 EVA COV-1 federal grant. These specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on June 9th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days, as determined by the procurement officer. These specifications will also be made available on Palau Gov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-49. Public notice is May 25th, 2026 through June 8th, 2026. Bidding period is June 9th, 2026 through June 23rd, 2026. Proposals opening is June 24th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmut, Milagyo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415 or 680-767-1126 or emailing hr@palaugov.org.
Kadebel subdra kamaldila. Mary Renguul-Bausoch. Subdra laltobdra nga ngiro itoluk Mike Renguul, ibdul rale Robert Tuti, ngiray tao Henry Yuri, Frank Malsol, ngiraw rega the Jack Renguul, ngiramati Elbu El Savang, Eol Ringil Madalarak, Iadrak Club de Hito Renguul, Mamas o Erur Wasisang Renguul. Agim subde o aiselk mo atargidra Mary Renguul-Bausoch, el ngalgel o Erur Wasisang, Mamli Adalbayray May Renguul o Batang, Amlos Mayor Sera Ongewi del Gabasingil Ongeyi Melbuil, May 7, 2026. Magim subdra Renguul Adamam Rababal Dao, Bel Morayol Dao, Michael Belaw. Mabomodenge Mongi Ramang Teklol Subdel Motuab Druriula. Kompmal Masulang. Signed Ngiro Itoluk, Mike Renguul. Subdra Godal Mahamildil. Te osisiul subdra Godal lol tobdra nga sinesyo Sunday maugerdeu hustolong ong el morarogwil adamam rababel dao orior mayol dao belkmo a Serafina Serabi Debelbot am logdong el moragmang telulngul ler sera May 11, 2026. Mlamultergok lakmeldil el moringira Friday, May 29, 2026. El dimamamildira Santos Borja Chapel, Palau Funeral Home, ra 9:30 a.m. el moyata 12, embra el moklo era bayrang rubsang ramalgayok, el talsigang, emo umdak labangel adalal rat obey olgul rabelu ramalgayok. Magim subdar gamiw, el rogul adamam, el belduk lang clear tial subda, mamay madaalim edgay nga sewer tial albul. Maorior agim subdra former President Johnson Toribong, iadar eduk la Francis Toribong, ngirasibong Lakyus Malsol, Senator Yoel Toribong, Deborah Toribong Marmarangem, Maria Bonay Simang Marbebiragaw, Isidora Rubas Marangalgem, Emigo Pedro Marangalgem, Marciana Midar Marangalgem, Rangalgela Antonina Olgeril Sokok, Kalista Isaul, Sasaria Ay Soalavao, Marcy Isaul, Shannon Isaul Kikuo, Wadalad Agemi Anderson, Smi Juana Nestor Marbebiragaw, Sharon Danglay Sato, Teodosia Ulongong, Josephine Ulongong Marangalgiw, Angeline Sanday, Teo Sanday, Lisa Sanday, Rangalgela Miray Rubiang Bayay, Pauli Wong, Rodney Bikrak Wong, Willa Wong, Marangalgela Elizabeth Ngirasyaw, Talbad Pauloong Marbebiragaw. Agi oltro raribu Dominica Ngoriakle, e olangit malmea nangalgem ratchudi eledui Avalos Marangalgir, Terry Eledui Ngiraingas, Doris Eledui Ito, Mageni Eledui, Megim Ali, Megim Ngay Ngesew. Ebil Ngiryo, Marbebiragaw, Dirata Aboet, Laverne Ay Mareb, Rangalgela Hidego Idesmang, Rangalgela Ngirong Hotel Idesmang, Deliget Mangur Lulg Marbebiragaw, Oligong Dalboy Bayay, Maradadra Yebugl, Ngadalmong Orior. Iray agim subdra obara dapkar Clarence Kitalong, Mina Marino Maradad, Rangalgela Dembert Obak, mamosubdar adad may madakay nga sew. Ngaram languya gimsubdar kawal elbira mga saw mamosubdar rokuil adad. Rangalgelay lilaw ngilti dasmang rakodines, France, maodari raplorang ngilti, ngalagiw, may madaalim edakay nga sew. Togubet silspader nga kalsinesyo Sunday, Angelin Sunday, almuraw lang ong spoons takada, Rangem Sebastian Andreas, Delegat Sebastian Marino, Noay Doong, Mangirbang Al Benjamin Adalbay, Mamosubdar Artula de Delil, Marmosabarir El May Madaalim Edakay nga sew. Arokil adama malmlodekal madungang clear, agikmal ayamar, olingit mamay madakay nga sew. Ngklo atret rama alsang, makadakas pasubda, yabolakal sabae malmay, edidakalat karang lungu. Arubakal Diyos lobanggeda rokuy, edolamol malngarabal tigareng. Kompmal masulang. Signed, Sinesyo Sunday. Subdra maldil maumanggadal blal sra Serafina, Serabi, Debelbot, loltob nga Rangem Sebastian Andreas, Delegat Sebastian Marino, ngir oteot Eliayao, ulang ong spoons takada, ngir bang al Benjamin Adalbay, el masubdra kamil dakaw adal ratula de delil, el ngaraygal balura babaldab, orior mayoldab, rakamaldil la Serafina, Serabi, Debelbot. Mlamos me riakmaldil, maumanggadal blal sa di moringira Palau Funeral Home and Chapel, el ngarangat Kib Hamlet, rabalurayray, Ramay 29, 2026, el Friday, o ngayon malurior. Makamaldi, la omura tuta, ra 9:30 a.m., el motalyal sils, ra 12:30 p.m., yapadingin la 12 del motuab ra pairang rubasang, ramal gayok, el dital sigang, emo umadak ra olgul ra taobay. Agik malolngit mo, may imbodadag, edang sutriya ng algel, marbebi ringi, ertial gamaldilel. Hindi ka ngalyok la maalung, la makardi mo kaltmok, algire la kamaldil, maumanggadal blals. Ngar along agim subdra siska bleso klolad marangalgem rangalgel amle adalbay ra kayong ngir amat troli rar irey raingos Dwight ngir amat maodam rauldak ngir amat ngiram tugur marbebi ramiu rangalgel marbebi ramle ngiraurel the Tobias Agwon ngas pasub de may madray nga sew erkel albul mangiwala agim subdra eldig sa Noay doong mamgas pasub de load Iblug trumen ngirmang, mamolngitange sura arangal graw asbay. Sereng tulo buasisang, marudam ra pustino masaksay, maantero boisek. Smi Juana Nestor marbebi rakaw. Ngas pasub de may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Ng esa ragim subdara ngalgela McCarthy Kotaro, Melwis ngirmaait, ngas pasub de may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Iray agim subdara ngalgela ngirgiklang, taryong, sa awa sa makayong, mamgas pasub de may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Rangalgela valadra ira al-sali adalbay, mamgas pasub de load may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Rangalgela mleng ngirage dromant matur, rar urat agi malwert at matul, mariwang uelt matul, ngas pasub de load may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Rangalgela mleng other talwang baules along, ra Senate President Pocons Baules, mamgas pasub de load may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Ebil raklay moded Baules sa marangalgel, rangalgel ake kareldil gegi Anson, ngirage Robert ngirbalgu, marbebi rakaw, Kliw ngirgiklang kang Itz, former President Johnson Toribio, Spis Valentino ngirgiklang, Leo Bentaryong, rangalgelam Leao Daniel ngirokbay, Buigaspis Chairman Daniel, Rahel Katabangang Marangalgel, rangalgela Pastor Mokogil Solomon, Raboong Raidung, Yoel Toribio, o bakaradapkar Clarence Kitalong, Gagrel Taadib Timothy Ngirdimaw, Diramring Lidub T6A Marangalgel, Diraay Tinagi Wulul, Badul Malwat Talay Marangalgem, Tulay Sbal Takava. Ngaram languy akyol ngitral ngirasipong lakyus malsol, maodam ramayreng malsol, mamgas pasub de may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Rangalgelar aged sulyal, rangul ramuang William ngirgiklaw marbebi rakaw. Rangalgela France ngiram gati radilyaw mangiram gati France, mamgas pasub de may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Ngatpang agim subdra rideb o gadat itong, mamgas pasub de load may madakay nga sew. Rigel Rablu the Marangalgem, Rungul Rablu the Ening Klol the Marangalgem, Hasintang itong marbebi rakaw, Rangalgelam lew eldig sa alab the Rablu the Malin sa ngirumrang ngirage the Marangalgem, Mgas pasubda ar adad marangal ge may madray nga sewertel albula. Imali ge agiol turkar kawal kalaw sermong maremar ka Tamir Mang South Junior malmearigel kwal mal nga sukumam. Oryor agim subdra wadal ad agemi Anderson marangalgel iyong labentiamin yob, Ebil Abbas Marigold yob, Dingalius Moses yob, Isaul Ramasaw, kami itatong, madilmean ng aligem, magim ngay nga sewer tial albula. Alios yaw, kadira kalmi itatong, madilmean ng aligem, magim ngay nga sewer tial albula. Dilwang amray abaules, wadal at tutog ngiralmaw, marbebirakaw, adal bayang atibang Ephraim ngira itay, mosubdra bebirakaw. Teodosia yu Patrig, Josefina ulongong, ngiraboy, ngas pasubdaload, may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Rangalgela leduy o malyak, lamgas pasubde may madakay nga sew. Saryang o Lal Warswick, rangalgela o Rengs Pedro, Sarah Canway Skev, rangalgela Sunday Ilek, lamgas pasubdaload, may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Rangalgela mledaladra ilong isaol, Malin Sato Marangalgem, Deborah Toribyong, Rodian Toribyong Smus, Nanumi Toribyong, Chewin Uermas, Rosemary Joseph, Marie Blunt, Rangalgela Tiana Talay Rubas, Rangalgela Hasime Talay, Rangalgela Carmelong Ralul, Gradeliget Mangur Marbebi Ramiu, Rangalgela Rium Dra Rulibra, Angenino, Veronica Ngiraybay, Fermina Isida, Sheila Sakuma Marbebi Rakaw, Aplonia Shiprit Augustin, ngas pasubdaload, may matakay nga sewer tial albul. Rangalgela Hiromir Dial, Rangalgela Katsue Sali Kaldung, Rawanita Obiang Marbebi Rakaw, Rosang Kyosi Andrew, ngas pasubdaload, may matakay nga sewer tial albul. Dirat nga Rose Masubda, uel sa uwa sa Marangalgiw, Ngira Meriang Alexander Rakamasig Marangalgel, Alexis Rakamasig Marangalgel, Pastor Balgu Sandario, Ngira Otet Eliaya o Marbebi Rakaw, Rangalgelam Lerngul Uel o Ib sa Armidal, William Siprit Marbebi Rakaw, Raymus Ngirmaait, Ngas pasubde may matakay nga sewertial albul. Palilyo agim subda rangalgela Kalib, Rakoseba Mainarya, Maradadrat Tula Vedlil. Rangalgelam le uelol kaiteng Madris, Ngas pasubda ar adad may matakay nga sewertial albul. Tirgel mlodyak lobas ang clear emdengel mo kadakawad, irong si tial sub drakmaldile la Serafina Serabi Debelbot, mga spasub de may madang sutiran ngalgel marbebi ringi, at tialulbong lal sungul. Makamaldi la maumang kadalblal sa di moringira Friday longay malurior, May 29, 2026, Lomura 9:30 a.m. Yabaldo la 12:30 p.m. El momadakra malgayok. Aomul maklapkal maodang sa muradama del Dios el niya o maknaltangat sabak karikid rabek kalsils. Kumpmal masulang signed ulongong spoons takada. Subdrakmaldil. Kaya subdrakmaldil ang tobdringan niray nga sa Viliani Thomas, Colebas Aloysius Talay, Raul Arnold Oilo, Buikiat Jefferson Thomas, Sherman Sato, el masubdra Rowil Adamam, el Gidel Ramaldile la Targi, de la Serafina Serabi Debelbot, el Mlosme Ramapadangela Ngaramorga. Mlamotrok Lamaldi, el di Morira Ongay Melurior, Friday, el May 29, 2026, el di Morira Palau Funeral Home and Chapel, el Moswelb, Emotuab del Morabay Rang Rubasang, Emo Uraged, el di Morat Obey. Malwaise yarbek al adma makmal spad al gidel tial gamaldil. Ngiwala gim subdra ngiraybay Gregorio da Rong, Koybad Helbert da Rong, maisokali Augusto Rengul, mamosubdra ngal graybay, may madray nga sew. Rangal gelam leng ngiraybay, masa ichi at titringel, ra kreta at titringel, marbebi ragaw, may madray nga sew. Amal gayo kagim subdra delegate Silverius O at Talay, Bekaldil Agemi Thomas, Abbas Kyota Sumang, Hosea Sumang, Stella Octol, Rur Elbalao Talay, Tina Octol, Ostenso Octol, Apollo Octol, Dallas Octol, Emar Dial Cleofas, Ephraim Tosiwo, Besi Elbalaw Malayrey, Ngarbay Boysek Talay, Jeff Tewid, Trustee Boysek, Clifton Boysek, Antonio Frederic, Kerungil Talay Macreos, Aloysia Paloy, Arti Talay, Mamadrang Talay, Santini Bath Thomas, Madanton Thomas, May Madray Ngasew. Agidire kalmusub drangiratkaw Viviano Math, Immaculada Ngirawlaw, Joyce Talaw Ngiraitay, Marangalgela Moti Lieb, Radhasul Francis Lieb, Mamgaspasub the Load, May Madray Ngasew, Tial Gamaldil, Eda Alim. Direkal Spadala, Amadrayo, Colin Joseph, Mamosub Darbebi Rakaw, May Madaalim. Direkal Spadala, Nirasibakli Johnson Wall the May, Mamosub Darbebi Rakaw Marangal, May Madray Ngasew, Ertial Lulbong Alsil, Saratargi, Dra Serafina, Serabi Debelbot. Ang esara gimsub dra ngira arwang Bili Takamine, Mamosub dra rangal gra arwang, May Madray Ngasew. Agidire kalmusub dra Lili Oilo, Madenis Oilo, Patrick Oilo, Mamgaspasub de May Madray Ngasew. Ngira abayad Matthew Albalaw, Mamosub dra rangalgem, May Madray Ngasew. Agidire kalmusub dra Bili Naruwo, Morland Naruwo, Umay Naruwo Rubas, Ertung Elisa Watanabe, May Madray Ngasew Ertial Albul. Ang arwik larablayra omngil, agimsub dra gawal, Dirariu Kalista Yamangutsi, Mamosub dra rangalgem, Marangalgira rangalgem, May Madray Ngasew Ertial Gamaldil. Adira kaltokubet selsub, da murakabri na idib, Marangalgelamle, Ebil Rugungi, Lidu Berdial, Radir Ete, Tablandar Dial, Mamosub Darabekal Adam Marangal, May Madray Ngasew Ertial Gamaldil. Agidire kalmusub dra Joseph Tiob, Marbebi Rakaw, Marangalgiw, Gaspasub de May Madray Ngasew. Agidire kalmusub dra rangalgir, Arangalgelamle Kolebas Ngiraitpang, Ramarchi Baab, Mamarlon Baab, Mamgaspasub de May Madray Ngasew. Ayraya gimsub dra dirangas sets kotur, mamosub dra rangal gra ngarangas, May Madray Ngasew. Rangalgelam lerul del Raymond Reblud, Rabeti Reblud Inasyo, Maetabay Reblud, Marangalgelam le Ragaril, El Tiakla Boyse, Ra Hermanat Tiakla Watanabe, Mamosub dra bebi ragaw, May Madray Ngasew. Agidire kalmusub dra dirakos kasi Alfonso Bintorio, Mangalgemra Malahi Mistatkel, Mamgaspasub de May Madray Ngasew. Agidire kalmusub dra ngalgela Too Oib, May Madray Ngasew. Agidire kalmusub dra Ngil, Masayang la Samdiuri Irey, May Madray Ngasew. Agidire kalmusub dra ngalgela Mlero Ulve, Ngir nga sa Era Blude, Radir ngar Blunta Devora Nagata, Marbebi Rakaw, May Madray Ngasew Ertial Albul. Agidire kalmusub dra ngalgela Namigo del Mel, Radel Fita del Mel, Marbekal Av, May Madray Ngasew Ertial Gamaldil, Eda al mga trir arangalgel, Marbebira Serafina, Serabi Debelbot, Ertial Ulbong Lelsil Seringi. A Oriora gimsub dra Antonina Taur Hideos, Ma Project Ngiralmaw, Marubi Brel, Agidire kalmusub dra Renguul-Bausoch Aloysius Alons, Ngirmang Richard Alons, Mamosub dra bebi ragmiw, May Madray Ngasew. Danglay Debelbot Masami, Lucy Tangalbath, Marbebi ragmiw, Mamgaspasub de May Madray Ngasew Ertial Albul. Agidire kalmusub dra Veronica Antonio, Sheila Sakuma, Mosub dra bebi ragmiw, May Madray Ngasew. Agidire kalmusub dra ngalgela Tewid Boyser, Ra Saturnino Tewid, Angeles Tewid Napoleon, Magilat Tewid, Mosub dra ngalg, May Madray Ngasew. Direkal Spadala Sadaria Sumang Alidadong, Mainglor the Sumang Ngirungay, Ngaspasub de May Madray Ngasew. Direkal Spadala Kadasaw Morales Ramaruy, Maebilt Kadasaw Marian Ramaruy, Mamosub dar bebi ragmiw, May Madray Ngasew. Atukubet sel spadek nga alngiray nga sa Villani Thomas, Amsub dar gawal, Yadribu li the song Sumang, Mabekaldil Marine et Tibek Sebastian, Mamosub dar bekal ngalgra ngribul, May Madray Ngasew Ertial Gamaldil Latargi, Dra Serafina, Serabi Debelbot. Agidire kalmusub dra, Dira sa aduy huyugo, Hiroichi Marangalgel. Agidire kalmusub dra, Ngir mangang the Hayes Malsol, Madiraang Nancy Wong, Mosub dra ngalgra, Ngir mangang the May Madray Ngasew Ertial Albul. Ang ramlanguy ang spadala ngiraklang Chance Kabong, mamosubdar adad may madray nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdar tarir oktol, masimane Williams France, ertial alabu lama may madray nga sew. Ang klamngatela subdaw ul matirgel adamamalmlo dialobas ang clear, adialbol makita rendir, may madray nga sew algut maklitial gamal dileling igal targid, la Serafina Serabi Debelbot, el dibuse radlongled. Ang kloatret ramam asang, mar adamamalmo dial sabir el may, akmal diungil basul, madidagalat karang lungu. Adios, bolo sabak, lelo maknal tanga targid rokuy, lo babud mabaltigareng. Signed, Kolebas Aloysius Talay, ngiray nga sa Villani Thomas, Raul the Arnold Oilo, Buiki at Jefferson Thomas, Sherman Sato. Subdrak Maldil. Tia Subdrak Maldil, lultobdring ang irmang Moses Aludong, Madasul Francis Lieb, Rakablil rangar madl ramalgayok, mangiray derbe sabo bultathab, mangiray nga bang Denis o manggaralt mo, Serabi Debelbot, el ngalgelam lebe ekaldil isaw, ma Debelbot, el mlamosme, el mabdanya langaramor, amlamot terko kalmor niya kamaldiringi, rat 29, el kapasingil el albuil, el almelo ngayim lurior. Abadangel ngigal maasa, motob dra ewid el klokra tutaw, el moray gelesya ra katolig orior, el mutal mora funeral home, el mamang maldil, ra etiul klok, el moswelb, etuab del moramal gayok, emultab rapa erang rubasang, emo umadak ratobe ra odosong. Mangirmang Moses, Madasul Francis, Rakablil rangar madl, mangiray derbe sabo, mangiray nga bang Denis, Rakablil ra derbe, rangarulyang, amsubdra roguil adamam ramal gayok, ngiwal, ngesar, iray, orior, mabebi rabalur belaw, artial albul, olangita mamay madaalim, edkay nga sew. Tirgal adamamal nga raygaledel tulungal garakabli larang armadal, eliblay, masangabang, maulador, aspadlek malong tial lalmay, madaalim, edkay nga sew, artial gamaldil. Signed, Moses Aludong, Ngirmang.
Tial subadal mula ring stringi, adiagal spadel, madiagal tigingel, maluub engul deswel at Yes Broadcasting Company, tiang aspadirar adulul topdaringi e haraoringi, kohmal mesulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello, Palau. This is the Yes Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
WWFM is owned and operated by the Yes Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 MHz and 89.5 MHz 24/7, with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in the Yes Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube.
WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oi sine. What do you mean oi sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
Just 2 hours left to vote in Texas. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News. It's decision day in the showdown between a longtime Republican senator and his Trump-backed challenger.
Four-term Senator John Cornyn. He is going to fight to survive a major challenge from Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton, who's writing a late endorsement from President Trump. Cornyn running on experience and conservative results, while Paxton has embraced a more hardline Texas First MAGA message.
Fox's Brooke Taylor in Dallas, the winner of today's runoff to face Democratic State Representative James Tallarico in November. Iran reportedly making a new demand as talks continue on a possible deal with the U.S.
The Secretary of State Marco Rubio out there saying the Strait of Hormuz is going to open one way or another. Iran is saying we'll open the Strait if you take $24 billion in frozen Iranian money and unfreeze it. That is according to Iranian state-run media.
Fox's Peter Doocy at the White House. President Trump suggesting Iran has to give up its enriched uranium in a post earlier today. Multiple deaths confirmed after a chemical incident in Washington state.
First responders are on scene of a chemical implosion at Nippon Dinaware facility, a pulp and paper mill in Longview, just north of Portland, where we're told a liquid hazmat tank exploded around 7 a.m. local time.
There were multiple critical injuries. We can also confirm there were fatalities related to the incident. At this time, there are also individuals who remain unaccounted for as crews continue the recovery and accountability operations.
Mike Gorsuch, battalion chief with Longview Fire, also saying no evacuations and that there's no threat to the surrounding area, though people are being asked to stay away during the recovery phase as the investigation gets underway.
Fox's Jeff Vanasso. This says thousands remain evacuated in Southern California because of a chemical tank leak at an aerospace facility, though that evacuation zone did shrink as the pressure and temperature in that tank went down. America is listening to Fox News. The vice president leads a multi-state meeting as part of an ongoing federal crackdown on fraud.
Uncovering and prosecuting fraud in taxpayer-funded programs should cut across partisan lines, Vice President J.D. Vance says.
We're protecting the American taxpayers who shouldn't have their money stolen by fraudsters. And of course, we're protecting the people who need these services. Fraud is not a victimless crime.
The vice president met with several attorneys general, mostly from Republican-led states, as part of a roundtable on collaborating with federal investigations. Democrats have accused the anti-fraud task force of targeting only Democrat-run cities and states and criticized funding freezes for some programs. At the White House, Jared Halpern, Fox News.
Americans not feeling as optimistic in the latest confidence surveys.
There has never been a bigger divide between the feelings about the stock market and consumer sentiment.
Fox Business's David Asman, the conference board's reading showing a dip in consumer confidence in May after 3 months of gains, and the University of Michigan's consumer sentiment gauge had a record low this month as the conflict with Iran pushes up prices.
Whereas the stock market is just trading at these extraordinary values. So the stock market is looking through this current crisis as something that will mitigate very soon after we open the Strait.
A record close for the S&P and the NASDAQ today, but the Dow retreating down 118. U.S. plans for a permanent moon base. Get an update.
NASA Administrator Jared Isaacman said 3 launches to take equipment to construct and sustain a moon base are planned to launch by the end of 2026.
The first of more than a dozen missions we expect to announce through the balance of this year as we return, build the base, and never give up the moon again.
Carlos Garcia Galan, who leads the moon base program, said they want lunar terrain vehicles in place when Artemis 4 astronauts land in 2028.
Fox's Gernal Scott. I'm Lisa Brady. This is Fox News.